How's guys, what's going on? So I've gotten a device to test drive over the summer. But to do that, I think we need a change of clothes and a change of scenery. So let's get going and let's check out the Xiaomi 15T in sunny old Durban, South Africa. So I've basically been enjoying the Xiaomi 15T for the entire of my December. And I've taken it with me to Rage Expo. I've enjoyed it the entire summer. So let's go ahead and go on a little bit of an adventure and talk about this phone. So some of the key specs. The Xiaomi 15T features a massive 6.83-inch AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10+, and Dolby Vision support with peak brightness up to 3200 nits. And honestly, this matters whether you're walking on the promenade, sitting on a cafe, or checking maps in direct sunlight like today. The screen stays clear, readable, punchy. Colors pop, and text is sharp, and scrolling feels smooth. Now, when it comes to the design, it is absolutely slim at 7.5 millimeters, weighing just only 194 grams. And it feels light enough to carry all day. The glass front and back gives you a premium look, while the IP68 water and dust resistance is perfect for summer, sweat, sand, and the occasional splash is not a problem. It has a frame which is plastic, which might not feel ultra premium, but it gives the phone lightweight and ultra practicality. The phone runs Android 15 with Xiaomi's HyperOS 2, powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 8400 Ultra processor paired with 12 gigs of RAM. In real-world use, social media, multitasking, video streaming, camera usage, everything feels fast, responsive, no shutter, no lag, even being outdoors in the heat for long periods. Now, in terms of memory, we said it's got 12 gigs of RAM, and you can get up to 512 gigs of ultra-fast UFS storage, which is more than enough for photos, videos, apps, and content creation. In terms of connectivity, this phone supports 5G, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 6, and NFC, USB-C, even an IR blaster built in. Whether you're uploading reels, streaming music, or using mobile data all day, connectivity is solid. Now, coming to the battery, one of the biggest highlights here is the 5500 mAh battery. Durban summer means long days, high screen usage, and consistent social media apps. And the 15T comfortably lasts all day. When it's time to charge, the 67-watt fast charger gets you back up quickly. Plug it in while you shower, get ready to head out again, and you're good to go. The Xiaomi 15T features a triple camera Lycra tuned camera setup with a 50 megapixel main, 50 megapixel telephoto with 2x optical zoom, and a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera. Plus, it comes with a 32 megapixel selfie front camera. In bright Durban daylight, the camera really shines. Photos are sharp, crisp, and colors are vibrant. The dynamic range handles bright skies well, and the ultra wide is great for beach shots, group photos, while the telephoto is useful for casual zooms, though it lacks optical image stabilization. Video tops out at 4K 60, which is perfect for Reels, TikTok, and YouTube. So this phone, right, is ideal for people who live outdoors and who are enjoying their best K December life, right? Whether it's students, whether it's professionals, content creators, anyone who needs a reliable daily driver in hot, sunny conditions like this, if you want a bright screen, long battery life, and solid cameras, with the solid performance without having to pay that flagship level price. Now, this phone makes a lot of sense for those types of people. In South Africa, The 12 gig RAM variant with 512 gigs of storage retails anywhere between 15,999 rands, and you can pick it up at that price at Cellucity. Or if you go to Vodacom, you can pick it up for 12,599 rands. So, when it comes down to it, whether you're at the beach or chilling at the park in Durban, let's talk about some of the pros and the cons. So, some of the pros, you have the extremely bright AMOLED display for outdoor use. You have the big battery that lasts long summer days and the fast 67-watt charging. So whether you're out during the day or at night, a couple of hours or 1 hour worth of charge sorts you out. You also have the IP68 dust and water resistance, and you have strong performance for daily use and content creation. If we had to draw some cons of this device, number one is the fact that it has a plastic frame, which doesn't necessarily feel premium. Second is the fact that there's no wireless charging. The third is the telephoto lacks camera OIS, and the selfie camera is good, but not class leading for this market. Now, in my personal opinion, using the Xiaomi 15T in Durban summer conditions, it feels like a phone built for real life. It doesn't overheat, the display stays visible, and the battery keeps up with those long days. It might not be the most luxurious phone, but it's practical, powerful, and excellent value for money. So, I've enjoyed my entire December with the Xiaomi 15T, and not just in Durban. So if you're looking for a phone that can handle South African summers, bright sun, heat, heavy use, and daily content creation, the Xiaomi 15T 5G is an excellent recommendation. Guys, thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you can let me know by giving a like rate if you did. If you aren't already subscribed, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of our future videos. As always, thanks for watching. My name is Prashant, and I'll catch you in the next video.